Hi guys, today a short video on how you can handle assets, automate them using Odoo. So the first thing is to go to the accounting application, and if I go to my configuration menu, I'm able to go in my asset modules to create what we call, well, asset module. So asset module are basically templates on which I'm going to register all information on how I want to my depreciation to be computed. In that case, I'm going to create an asset module for my cars. So I'm just going to name it. I'm going to choose the method. I want to use like the straight line, declining, or declining then straight line. I can choose the duration. I can modify it to be in years or in month. I'm going to use in month because I want to have a better monthly reporting analysis of my accounting. So it's not 5 months. I'm just going to compute it using this small formula. I'm going to choose my computation using the constant period, or I can choose to be in pro rata mode. Then I will register all the accounting information. So my depreciation account, which is my 24 ending with a 9 accounts, and my expense account for my depreciation, which is this one. Now that my assets modules is set, I'm going to my chart of account, going to my asset account and launch what is called an automatization. So I can just go to my account on which I can view the type or any other information. And on the other menu, there is the automatization part in which I can select to if I want to automate my assets or not. I can choose to automate them in draft. So Odoo is going to ask me to compute the depreciation board, or directly just to create and validate it. So Odoo will generate everything directly. I want to have a better look, so I'm just going to create in draft, and then I'm going to select the asset modules that we have just created. Once it's generated, I can go to my dashboard, have my vendor bills. My vendor bills is for a car that I have just bought. So I'm just going to the invoice, check my Skoda Kamiq information, already computed on my 24 assets module account, sorry. So I'm just going to confirm it, and as I have selected to create it in draft, I have my assets, that smart button that is in red. So if I go on it, I can see that all the depreciation method and all the information about the accounting are already registered using my asset modules. So I can just choose to compute my depreciation board, on which I can see all entries that have been generated. Of course, if I want to, I can always choose to edit any entries. And now that I have just checked everything, I can just confirm it. And I can see that I have already posted entries that have been validated. Exactly 9 posted entry. I can just check them and see that it just linked to the past depreciation operation. I can see that the future one are going to be automatically accounted at the date. So now I can just go to the reporting and go to my depreciation schedule, which is my depreciation board, on which I can just see like any account and my cars directly that have been computed and directly check. I can also create a forecast, so I can just like select future period. For an example, for July, and as my depreciation operation is not yet posted, I can just select to include draft entry, so I can see now that my depreciation is computed for the month of July. So that was it for this small video. See you soon.